What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching yesterday's video. I put a lot of work into that video. I just wanted to test out if you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please comment down below on this video and let me know what you thought, because I did put a lot more work into it. So today we are finishing up our Amazon FBA shipment, and then we will be doing our customer orders, and then yeah, we'll be done. Anyways, guys, let's get back to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, not only did we absolutely kill it with that FBA shipment, we are finished with customer orders as well. So we got all of these down here with that FBA shipment and the customer orders. So now that we are done with that, let's go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $38.86. We made $46.18 on Quality Prints USA yesterday. We made $314.39 on Amazon yesterday, so a total of $399. So we now have a total of $5,872 this month. It's looking like a 10K month or a 12K month, but we would rather be, close to 15 would be great. We are going into the holiday season, so if you guys are interested in watching me hit 30K, hopefully this year, subscribe down below. I make a video almost every single day. And then also, please like the video if you did enjoy it for the YouTube algorithm. Also, helping other people find my videos. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.